ICP is at a very interesting price area where we could see a massive breakout to the upside. In this video I will talk about ICP and share my potential price targets to the upside. And either if you are heavily invested in ICP or at the sideline right now, I will share you price areas to get into a potential long trade. So let's go straight into the content. So let's start on the weekly chart, and as you can see, after we built the last really important high at $86, we then saw this crash to lower levels. We came all the way down into this area. In this area we saw longer consolidation since 1.5 years, and then we finally started to break out of this range. We saw the strong bullish momentum into this supply zone. We then saw the first bearish reaction at the supply zone, and after we tapped back into this demand zone right here, we saw a bullish reaction, and today we moved into the supply zone and made a higher high. So first of all, this is a really bullish sign, and now it's very important that we get a close over this high right here, because if we're seeing a body close over this high, the chance that we could see much higher prices is there, and especially if we're breaking out of this supply zone, then the chance is high that we could see much higher prices in the near future. So if we're breaking this supply zone, the first really interesting price area is this last high right here, because this high was the start of this last bearish move to the downside, and if we would break this one to the upside, then the next really interesting price target is this high right here at $58, and from the prices right now to this kind of price target we would have potential over 280%. And if you're having a look at the total crypto market cap of the altcoins, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. And I think the chances are high that we could see much higher prices in the near future for the total crypto market cap of the altcoins. And if just a small percentage flows into ICP, the chances are high that we could see much higher prices. So the next really interesting price target is at $23.50. And as I said, if we are breaking this supply zone to the upside. So we look for potential price targets, and now we are looking for potential buy areas for ICP. And as you can see, we are clearly in a bullish trend, with higher lows and higher highs all the way. And if we are seeing lower prices again, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here, because after this consolidation we saw the strong bullish breakout to the upside. We also break the last high right here at ICP, and if we would come back into this demand zone, the chance that we continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to get into a potential long trade. And if we would see even lower prices, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone right here, because this demand zone was the start of this massive push to the upside. We then retested this demand zone right here with this wick, and then we saw this move to the upside and made a higher high. So I think this could also be a potential great long area for ICP. But the question is if we are reaching this kind of price targets, because ICP and the crypto market was very bullish, and if we would close over this last high right here with this daily candle, then I think the chances high that we could see the breakout. So I would either wait if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction, or if we are seeing the breakout, then I would wait if we are retesting this last high or this high and get into a potential breakout right here, because if we're breaking this supply zone and retesting this last highs, then the chance is very high that we could see a bullish explosion for ICP. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like ICP, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, I think the chances are that you could see a larger breakout for ICP, especially if we're breaking this supply zone to the upside. The next really interesting price area is this last high. And if you're not invested, I would wait if we come back into this zone and see a bullish reaction. Or if we would see even lower prices, then I would have a look at this demand zone right here. But I don't think the chance is very high that we could see prices like this. And if we now see a bullish reaction, I would wait if we get a retest at this last highs. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.